next topic that we are going to discuss is conservation of charge. You might have heard about conservation of energy, which states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another or be transferred from body to another. But here in the case of electric charge, there's a slight difference in that statement. Conservation of charge, we state that net charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. Charges can be created as well as destroyed only in equal and opposite pairs. That is, there will not be any net charge, net positive charge or net negative charge created or destroyed. Charges can be created and charges can be destroyed, but only in equal and opposite pairs. So net charge can neither be created nor be destroyed in isolation. Charges may be created or destroyed only in equal and opposite pairs. We cannot make only positive charge out of nothing. We cannot make only negative charge out of nothing. We cannot destroy a net positive charge. We cannot destroy a net negative charge. But during a process, charges may be produced or destroyed, but the net charge before the reaction will be equal to the net charge after the reaction. The net charge, there may be net zero charge before the interaction, there may be some positive charge and equal amount of negative charge after the reaction, so the net charge is zero again. There are two famous phenomena called pair production and annihilation of matter. So if a positively charged particle and its negatively charged antiparticle, they meet, then the particle and antiparticle will combine and it will be completely converted to energy. So particle antiparticle pair can annihilate. Annihilate means become nothing, and it will be completely converted to energy. Here there was some positive charge, there was equal amount of negative charge. They combine and convert into energy. Energy is not having any charge. So this annihilation of matter, this is also not violating the principle of conservation of charge. Before, equal amount of positive and negative, so net charge is zero. After, there is no charge, again net charge is zero. Another is pair production. There is a definite amount of energy can be converted to particle antiparticle pair. That's called pair production. Then initially it's only energy. A definite quantum of energy can be converted to particle antiparticle pair. Earlier there was no charge, no matter, no charge. Then the energy is converted to particle antiparticle pair. We have got equal amount of positive and negative charge, so net charge is zero. So even this annihilation of matter and the pair production is not violating the principle of conservation of charge. So according to the principle of conservation of charge, charges can neither be created nor be destroyed.